Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have another unboxing today. I'm so excited that I received this item. This is my wishlist item from Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry. Oh my god guys, I finally decided to purchase this item because I saw on Instagram with Hello Lux Cat that VCA is having increase this month, and I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I did ending up purchasing this item. If you watch my luxury wish list 2021, then you know what it is. I just got it this today guys. This is, I didn't open it. I didn't cover my info, so let's do cap this item, this box.
Actually, I ordered this a week ago, but it took a while now to shipping or delivery. I don't know why. I did order before the necklace, but I ended up returning because I don't think it's worth for a small necklace. And for this one, I think I like it because, I don't know guys, I was
thinking about this item. You know what? I said to myself, you know what? It's better to get it so I can see the person. I wish they have. There it is. I wish, like I said, I wish that it has a boutique close by, so at least I can see in person, so at least I know what it looks like or something like that. But it's really far from me that to have seen this one in person, since we are far from London. So this is the box. This is the second time I purchased, but like I said, I ending up return the other one. Okay guys. There she is. Let me put this aside. This is my receipt, and this is to give me a blank card, which is nice. And this is a return to boutique. I don't think I will return this boutique. I don't want to go to London just to return that. I like it that it comes actually with a shopping bag. It's unique this time. Comes with this, of course, the authenticity. That's their authenticity card. What's the color of this, by the way? Like a mint green or something. So they have this, I don't know what you call that one, I forgot. So that's the date to purchase, and then the reference number. I don't know that. Before it has that, I will check that one before I. And they sent me this big bag. So you probably know what it is. Look at this beauty. So cute guys. I really love the color. So I'm hoping, I finger crossed, that I love this item, because let's open this. Because of the bracelet, I ending up return it. But anyway, let's unbox this baby. I'm actually debating if I wanna get the pearly one, but you know what, I want to get this one first because this is the one on my wish list. Same with Cartier. It has this open up in here. So guys, the one that I got is oops, cute that they have cushion here. Ta-da! This is the carnelian Alhambra necklace. Yes, this is so cute. I think this is the same size with this is the sweet Alhambra, and I know this one I watch on YouTube that this one's supposed to be for kid size. And yeah, I like dainty necklace, guys. I never remove my Tiffany T Smile since I got this one. I always remove my Cartier, because that one I just use that one for like a choker or stacking, because I don't want to go to work stacking, because sometimes you go to sleep they're tangled and I don't like that. And oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that one, guys. It's so cute. I definitely want to try this on, that what it looks like on me. I'm glad that they have this thing over here. Ah, the chain as well is same as with a bracelet, that the thinner. So let's open this up. That's really nice that they put in a plastic. And I think you can adjust this. You can add a extension if you want to for 3 months, and if you want a longer. Let me see, guys. Let me remove this. So dainty. Looks like it's same one with my I want to be comparing with these 3 necklaces with my Cartier. What it looks like. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. I was debating when I get the mother of pearl and carnelian. I was like, maybe I should get the carnelian since this one it's red. And what do you think, guys? This is what it looks like. Okay, let me put it on, guys, for you. So they has 2 adjustable there already, and they have the VCA this side. And oh, I want to make sure that this one is same with a reference number for this. I think it's long enough for me, guys. What do you think? Maybe I should extend to make it longer. Maybe I need to try the shake taste for this, because I saw this to one of my YouTube that I follow. So this is what it looks like, guys. What do you think? This is a rose gold. Let me fix it first, guys, so you can see. There you go, guys. It's just over here. You think I should make it longer, or just leave it like this? What do you think, guys? Please comment below if it's long enough, or just good like this one, or I need to extend another one so you get more in the middle, because my Tiffany, it's quite long. If I make it longer, I can adjust like that, and then put my other choker in here. What do you think, guys? Just leave it like that, since my Tiffany, I don't know if it's okay to, since this VCA it's rose gold and the Tiffany is gold. Oh my god, it's so cute. It just, for me, it's enough, but I feel like it's need more longer. So there you go, guys. That's it for my unboxing of my VCA Sweet Alhambra. I hope that I will like this one. I will think about this one first. I will ask my husband if it's really nice to have this. It's really cute though. I really like dainty jewelry. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.